Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. I have been participating in this Pinterest, Instagram event called #the 100-Day Project, where you're supposed to start, I think it started on April 3rd, and for 100 days you're supposed to create a project, whatever that means to you. It could be just a drawing, it could be whatever, a veneer, whatever a project means to you. So I've tried to create a pendant every day. I did miss 2 days, I believe. So this was my first project for the 100-day project. I still think she's so pretty. Okay, I did this with the Finnabar Rust Effect paste. She's got a couple of turquoise chips with some little carnelians, and she was done with polymerclay, obviously. Okay, so that was day 1. Like I said, April 3rd. Okay, I actually think this was day 1 and that was day 2, but I don't remember at this point. I did this one with the Finnabar Patina Effects paste with a little bit of the Finnabar wax in the brushed iron, I believe it is. And again, it's polymerclay with just some little glass beads on the chain. Okay, that was day 2 or day 1. Okay, this was day 3, and although I actually made the stone for this pendant 7 or 8 years ago, I did just remake the bezel around it and restring it. Okay, I am currently working on a tutorial for the stone itself. It's got some little tiger eye chips and some black cut glass beads. This was day 3. I'm not really sure it was day 3, but I'm calling it day 3. Okay. I believe this was day 4. This is also, they're all polymerclay. The shells, though, are actually resin. Just, I had them in my stash, so I pulled them out and used them. This is done with Swelligant in the silver, with the darkening patina and a little bit of the Caribbean blue and the aqua green. And then it's got some tiny little moonstone nuggets. And then it's got, these are lapis. These cubes are lapis. That was day 4, I think. Okay, please note, at some point in here, I missed 2 days. Because of the weekend. My husband and I got busy, and I just didn't get around to doing anything. I believe this was day 5. Again with the Swelligant. Oh, I'm sorry. This was the patina paste. The whole set with the brass color, which to me is a more copper color, but and then the two patina pastes. Okay, it was this was a resin moon face and resin wings. Now that I'm saying that, I'm not sure. I believe that's true. and then I backed it with some polymer clay. I did have a breakage over here, and I had to go back and add some bacon bond. But I just need to touch that up a bit. Okay, so that was day 5. Okay, and I actually believe day 5 was before day 4. I'm so confused. This piece was also done with swell again, but this one is actually all polymer clay. I did the face with polymer clay and did a little extra sculpting on it. This is the faux abalone. This is actually a faux glass moonstone right here. She's got some amethyst chips for her earrings. And this is just the silver swelligant with the darkening patina. I think she's pretty. Okay, and then I've got one more. That was day 6 or something. I'm not even sure anymore. We're going to call this day 7. This is a resin face. She was a clear resin face that I did some drawing on the back of with alcohol ink pen with my Spectrum Noirs. And then after I did the alcohol ink drawing, I put some gold leafing on the back. It gives it that reflective quality. This was from the Faux Jade tutorial. And then this is not with Swelligan. This was actually a blend of polymer clay, silver and gold. And then I went back afterwards and added some of the Finnabar wax. No, I added some of the Metallic Luster by DecoArt. Okay. I'm just not wild about the dull color of the Primo clays. This blend, it really did turn out pretty. I love the silver and gold combination when they come together, when they mix together. But I didn't get a lot of that on the front somehow. She's got some little rhinestone chips, and this is an actual peridot, actually a CZ peridot. I'll get it right eventually. This was day 7. This was day 8. I actually think it was more like day 9. It's a colored pencil transfer onto the polymer clay. You transfer the colored pencil image onto the raw clay. So this was the first one I did this time. I've done this technique before many times. And I will have a tutorial coming up if I can get it to film. I have tried 3 times already. So this was the colored pencil image that I've transferred onto the polymer clay. Day whatever. Okay. Whatever day this was. This is a colored pencil transfer onto polymer clay. Okay, I've done a bunch of these. This was day whatever. I know I'm not very helpful. Okay, then the next day I did this one, which doesn't really have enough contrast. The background clay was a little too dark. for the image to show up very well. Okay, so that was day whatever it was. Then I did this one. I love the background on this piece. The hair and everything was done with the Ink Elements markers, which are a dollar store brand, they're kind of like Sharpies, but these are metallic. I love the glitter. That's how the hair was done, and then I did metallic paints for the leaves. And then I did another one very similar to that. Okay, same kind of background. I did more of the leaves and stuff in her hair on this one. Okay, so that brings us to day 15. Although it's not 15 pendants. I think it may be 12. Maybe. So, I did do one other one, but that one is for tomorrow and it's still in the oven. So, I will have a tutorial coming up on how to do these. This is the one for today that is in the oven at the moment. So, like I said, I tried to film it 3 times already, and this camera is driving me bananas. I really don't understand what's wrong with it. It's supposed to make a noise when you push to record. That way you know it's recording. It's quit making the noise. Or sometimes it makes it when you turn it off. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have another jewelry share maybe at the end of next week. I'll put, well, my social media links will be down below. My Etsy shop link will be down below. It may take a while for these to show up in the Etsy shop. If you're interested in any of them, just contact me on Facebook, which the link is also listed below. Bye for now.